Hi everyone, it's Cathy. Welcome to Cathy Over 50. In today's video, I am creating an easy everyday makeup look that can be done in under 10 minutes if I wasn't talking. Today I'm using the Cosmetics Illumination foundation and I'm using their flat top foundation brush. I don't have any primer on my face. I'm just wearing my moisturizer and I'm just going to start applying this to my skin. I really love this foundation. I have been using it non-stop in the last month. It goes on so nicely and it's so quick and easy to apply. And on me, I would say it's more of a light coverage, light to medium, but it's certainly buildable. You can see how nicely it applies. I have a little bit of dryness on my face. I'm not sure why. My skin is feeling dry. I did bring out the illuminating concealer, but I don't feel the need to do any concealing. I think that my coverage looks pretty good for the look that I was going for. So next up, before I do the rest of my face, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Cosmetics Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's the perfect shade for me, and it's great that it works for mostly everybody because it works off of pressure. So if you want to go darker, you just press a little harder on the pencil. I always love how my eyebrows look when I use this eyebrow pencil. I'm missing the tail on this eyebrow, so I have to fake one. Now for my face, I'm going to use the Je Ne Sais Quoi palette. I love this little palette. It has everything that you need to create an easy everyday makeup look. This is their Bye Bye Pores translucent pressed powder. Excuse the mess. The blush, a beautiful bronzer, and this is their luminizer. I am loving this Beauty Blender Pocket Puff, and I'm going to show you how I use it to apply powder. Dip it in there and you can see the product. And I'm just going over my cheeks a little bit. I normally don't use powder over a powder foundation, but I just thought today I'd show you because I wanted to show you this handy little device. I absolutely love it. So next I'm going to put the bronzer on. I'm just using a Real Techniques blush brush. So just dip it in there, and I'm just using the bronzer not as a contour, just like to give me some color if I'd been out in the sun all day. So next up, we're gonna do the blush, and I'm using the Cosmetics blush brush. Now when I apply blush, I don't smile because as we age, when we smile, our cheek droops. So I basically just keep my straight face, and I just go a little bit above the cheek. And I always bring it up beside the eye because I find with a round face, it just helps to slim it. And you can see the difference. This side looks a little slimmer. And then I'm just gonna dip my finger into the luminizer. And I'm not going like underneath the eye, but just kind of on top of where I put the blush. And I'm just like rubbing the faintest amount on. Just want to reflect some light, bounce it off my cheeks. And then I always like to go down the center of my nose. I go over my brows, Cupid's bow, and then on my chin. It's such a really barely there luminizer. This is a really beautiful compact. I use it a lot and I really do love it. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyes. I'm doing a one eyeshadow look, and the eyeshadow I'm using today is a Charlotte Tilbury little jewel pot. I'm just using this Wet n Wild brush and just dip it in and basically paint it all over the mobile lid. This is really creating a beautiful summer look. And so far this eyeshadow, it hasn't dried up, so that's good, because I know a lot of people on Sephora's website were complaining that it dries up a lot, but maybe that's because they threw away the inner seal. Like I kept the little plastic thing, and maybe that helps to help it not to dry up. Isn't that a pretty look? So pretty. That's the little thing that I'm talking about. Then I just put it back in there for next time. Gonna do my mascara, and today I'm using the It Tightline. I love this brush. See how tiny it is? It's perfect for me. And I take it right to the lash line and then wiggle up. And this brush allows me to take my time and get in the corner, which I'm not usually able to do with bigger brushes. And I just want to show you, that's with one coat. Isn't that pretty? Wow, I really like this eyeshadow. So that's after one coat, and I'm going to do my second coat. Just look at how flawless my makeup looks. I really love this It foundation. It really does such a nice job on my skin. And I really do love that eyeshadow. I'm not sure if it's available still. If it is, I will link it below. But it really creates a pretty look. So before I do my lips, I'm just going to set everything with the cosmetic setting spray. And somebody wrote to me and asked, what is the point of a setting spray? A setting spray just helps your makeup last longer all day. I really do like this one. It's full of great stuff. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, and coconut water, and they claim that it will keep your makeup fresh looking for 16 hours. I don't wear my makeup for 16 hours. The longest time is probably about 10, and it really does keep my makeup looking fresh, and you know, it doesn't move around a lot. So for my lips, I'm using a product that I use every day in my life, but I don't really show a lot here on my channel. But because I'm just going for like an easy everyday look, what I'm using is the Cosmetic Ne Sais Quoi Lip Balm. So basically it's like a clear lip balm, but then it works with the pH of your lips, and you can see there's a little hint of pink, and that is the color my lips will turn whenever I apply this. See the difference? So pretty. I think there was some miscommunication between me and my hairdresser a couple weeks ago, because I am not digging the way she cut my hair. I wanted just a little bit taken off the end, and she took everything off. Like, look how short it is in the back, and I don't know what she did in the front, but thankfully my hair grows fast. So this is a look that I can put together in like 5 to 10 minutes. It's just a really quick, easy, everyday makeup look. It doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup, but at the same time, I think that I just look fresh and dewy looking, and I really love that eyeshadow. It is so pretty, and like I said, I cannot get enough of this foundation. I really do like a powder foundation because they're so quick and easy to use, and they really do look nice. I hope that you found today's video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like. That really just helps my small channel get recognized. Subscribe, and thank you so very much for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate you. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.